Let's talk about the some of the training you've been getting on the leadership coaching side for a second. So what's something that you have really found impactful? Something that maybe you're grateful that you've learned that's helped you be a better coach, a better leader.
Well, I think what working with you, Tracy, and working with the team, I think what it's done for me is it's allowed me to really reflect and look back on what are the things or what are the ways that I can maybe revisit or take a different approach to work with the team and how I coach with them. So we look at a very different topics every month. We look at ways, and some of the topics would be something that I've maybe worked with in my past life. But again, it's reflecting on that, and it's bringing to the forefront so that you can say, yeah, this is a great way to try to work with this individual to try to get the most out of them, and maybe get them to look at things a little bit differently and how they can be more successful as they are working with their customers to try to move that sale forward and get those little wins so that we can eventually create a sale and improve a family's life.